South 34 Fusion. Right now, they're trying to come out. This is it right here. I'm pulling in front.
Alright guys, signal 4 into the patrol car, hold the station.
Station 33.
Black male running southbound across the parking lot. White shirt, black shorts.
Stay with the car!
Jumping a private fence, past the camper, still southbound. He's over by the gas pump for the diesel.
Hey, Kilo, come in the area. Just hold what you got. Here.
Alright, Kilo, go around the road pumps.
On the vehicle.
Kilo to your left.
Hey, don't move! Don't move! Vehicles in the parking lot! Vehicles in the parking lot! The vehicle's taking a 10-8. They're going eastbound 484.
They're doing a U-turn coming back westbound, Kilo on 484. Just caused a almost signal 4. Still creeping westbound now, back towards the interstate on 44. Traffic, slow down, got traffic. Alright, blew through the red light. Almost signal 4 southbound now on 16th Avenue. About 75, 80 miles an hour. Traffic now trying to get out on the 301. Looks like they're trying to go south. Going northbound 301. Almost signal forward, northbound 301 towards Bellevue. Alright, coming to a stop here in the middle of the road.
5980, hold it. Sit down, it's all work.
Alright, hold the station, Marion. It's only stop here.
33. Yankee 20, Ocala 10-8, so far. So far.
Silly rabbit tricks off your jet. Yes. Hey, go to the general, save some time. No? Safe flight repair, safe flight repair.
Safe Flight Replace.
What makes a Safe Flight Repair different? We're always there for you. You can schedule anytime at safeflight.com. It's easy. You pick the time and place. Then we'll come to you with our exclusive glass sealer resin that penetrates the tiniest microcracks for a strong repair. And with most insurance, a repair is no cost to you.
Really?
Just a few more reasons to choose the Safe Flight Advantage.
Safe Flight Repair, Safe Flight Replace.
An anonymous online quote now. For a great low rate you can get online, go to the general and save some time. Anonymous online quote now. For a great low rate you can get online, go to the general and save some time.